friends, Selle here. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today, my 8-year-old son and I will be decorating our Christmas tree. We had this tree for over 3 years now and I can't wait to buy a new one for next year. I hope you decorate with us today and enjoy this video. We put this up before Thanksgiving Day, but I was so busy at work that I didn't have enough time to edit this video before then. I'm not gonna talk too much in this video. I feel like decorating a Christmas tree is very self-explanatory. You can decorate it however way you want it and whatever theme of your choice. I like ours to be very traditional. Lots of red and green, but I also like snow, so I mix some white and silver with my ornaments. This tree is pre-lit when we bought it, but the light stopped working and we can't figure out how to fix it, so I just add our own colorful Christmas light to it. I do prepare the dim yellow color light like the ones it comes with this, but my husband really liked the colorful lights, so I put those instead.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together.
If this is your first time here on my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Selle. I'm a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. My contents are all about cleaning motivations and home organizations. I upload new one every single week. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel if you like the kind of videos I make. It will mean the world to me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are awesome and I really do appreciate you. Let me know in the comments down below of what theme did you do or will be doing for Christmas decor this year. I would love to know what you chose. This is a tradition for us every year. My son and I always decorate our Christmas tree together. We used to decorate this with my mother-in-law, but she passed away this year, so it's just me and my son now. Sometimes my husband helps us, but he is working today when we were decorating this, so he wasn't here. But I want to do this every year with my son because this is a memory that I wanted to cherish with him, and I want him to remember it every year that we are putting our Christmas tree together. And I really think he does enjoy doing this too, so I enjoy it too, and I love this bonding with him when we're doing this. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times
chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them to decorate for Christmas as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I wish you all a Merry Christmas this year regardless of all the things that's going on in the world right now. I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!